So babies, we're still on Vlogmas Day 10, but this one will be part of Vlogmas Day 11. The weather, look at the weather, it has changed. Look at the weather, look at the clouds. Like, I love a weather like this as long as there are no thunderstorms. Like, there's no need for thunderstorms. Literally. No need at all. But at least it is raining. It's been hot. It has been hot. At least it is raining. Hello ladies, welcome back to another video with your girl Whatdo. So in today's video, I'm just updating you guys on myself. I won't be vlogging or anything. This is me and this is the end. It is the intro and the outro. So you remember yesterday I told you guys that I have a toothache, but I didn't say anything about my eyes because I thought they were gonna heal on their own. So my toothache right now, it is worse. It is worse. It is painful, and I don't know what's happening. Like, it is painful, and I feel like it's gonna cause me tonsils. It's gonna cause tonsils in my eye. It is swollen. It is swollen. So today I'm just gonna take a break, and my mom asked me to do her hair. I'm going to relax her hair, and that will be part of tomorrow's vlog. So yeah, tomorrow I won't be talking that much. I'll show you guys the DIY decorations, but I won't be talking or anything. It's just that today everything is painful. I cannot even try to do a silent vlog. So it is painful. I'm gonna eat, take my Panado, edit this part. And I did record yesterday while I was uploading because I was having problems exporting my video from Capcut to my device. So that was a struggle on its own since 7 o'clock at night. And I managed to finish everything at 23:57. Babes, I posted ne, and it was on 23:57. And I thank God for that. Like, I could have gotten another struggle. My tablet crashed. I had to restart it, and I had to delete some of the things that, like, I have enough storage. I don't understand what's happening. I have storage, so I was just doing everything extra. So yeah, that is that for now. Please have a nice day, have a blessed day, and be blessed. I love you all, and bye. God, we have 2 new subscribers. I got a notification from YouTube that you've gained 2 new subscribers. Hello babies, I love you and thank you for subscribing. Keep on staying tuned, and please comment so that I can shout you out on my videos. I love to shout out. I started doing that a couple of videos ago, so I'm gonna keep on doing it. I love you all for subscribing, and thank you for choosing to subscribe. Thank you so much. Yeah, that is that. I forgot to say thank you to the new subscribers.